Hey guys, this is my first food vlog and I'm going to make you Palak Paneer. It's one of my dishes in my blog post and it's Indian vegan dish. I'm gonna use tofu instead of cheese. It's a very quick, simple and affordable dish. So let's start with the ingredients. So here are the ingredients for vegan palak paneer. So you need tomato sauce, tofu, olive oil, frozen spinach, basmati rice, and 1 garlic clove. So now that we have our ingredients, we're gonna start cooking. So let's do it here on the stove. Okay, so now we're frying the garlic a little bit and then we're going to add the rice. So for 2 portions that I'm making, we need 1.5 deciliters of basmati rice. And we're just going to boil it in a fair amount of water. And then after 10 minutes, we're going to take it out. So we'll let that boil. And here is the garlic. So it doesn't need to be fried, but just, a little bit. So we're gonna add a little bit of curry. Sorry, that was turmeric. No, it's curry. That's curry. Before that was turmeric, and then garam masala. Just let that blend in a little bit. And just a little pinch of salt. Okay, so I added about half of this tomato sauce. And now I'm gonna add the spinach. It's 300 grams frozen spinach, cubed or chopped. Oopsie, little mess there. Anyway, so it's very simple and fast. So first you add the oil, then garlic, fried 3 minutes with spices, and then the tomato sauce, and then frozen spinach. And then you let it stir for about, 3 to 5 minutes. Once everything is melted, then you add the tofu, and voila, it's ready. Okay guys, we are ready. Palak paneer, vegan. So we have rice, basmati rice, and palak paneer sauce. I'm gonna enjoy my meal, so happy Saturday.